Hello sir, my name is Shubham Saskar. My design topic is community center.
Community centers or community halls are public locations where members of a community tend to gather for group activities, social support, public information, and other purposes. They may sometimes be open for the whole community or for specialized groups within the greater community. Community facilities are public places where members of a community gather for recreational, educational, artistic, social, or cultural activities. The activities can be organized such as amateur sports, leagues, or casual such as a children visiting a playground. Let's move towards case study. Community Center at San Bernab. Location is in Mexico. This building is considered as a framework for the relationship and the expression of individuals and the community, so that it will be getting stronger as the citizens start to discover it and living freely into it. This street built within acts like the backbone of the built bodies that house the functional program of the community center and responds to an urban vision as a whole. In this sense, its journey is punctuated by three spaces of width a length which may be called squares, each of one of them linked to an adjacent activity. The whole project was conceived as a bioclimatic infrastructure which tries to obtain its levels of comfort by combining the local natural resources, both climatic and material ones, leaving the contribution of conventional machinery as a complementary provision to meet only extreme heat spikes throughout the year. These are some images of community center.
Location Akule Bypass Road Sangamner. Climate tropical wet and dry climate.
Climatic conditions: there are mild tropical wet and dry climate. Sangamner is surrounded by mountains and greeneries. We can see all three climates, that is summer, winter and monsoon in extreme. These are some nearby spaces near my site. These are some roadways near my site. Motorway, trunk road, primary road, secondary road and track is indicated in this map. This is the sun path on my site and wind is blowing from southwest to northeast. Site is chosen such that it would be easily accessible for everyone and the road which takes near the site is connected every nearby roads so that people can be easily come there. These are some photographs of my site. The site is surrounded by a rural area, therefore there is not much movement of vehicle near the site. But during the weddings, there is continuous movement of car, bikes, etc. as there is a Mangal Karyalaya near to the site. These are the indication of some structures like bungalows, row houses, slum houses, apartment, farm surrounding the site. Reasons to select this site: migration. To get better facilities and their own village people are migrating to the city. One of the reasons is that people enjoy their lives in city. Also they get better life there. Community center need. With the help of community centers, they will get all facilities. Loneliness. As we know, migration of young ones are very much in this area. Then how the old people of their families spend their day. Community center need. By providing community centers, old people can enjoy here. Creativity. The people are creative and talented, but they don't know how to use their creativity for own better life. Community center need. In community centers, they will get to know their creativity and also how to use their creativity for income purpose. Facilities. Community center need. A community center is must in this area to provide all this necessary to people. Education. Community center need. There should be center to encourage education by adopting modern technique and teaching techniques. Also in that there should be availability of resources. Area development, community center need. Development of an area is very important and it should be done by providing such centers in that area.
Concept combination of slum house, row house, and apartment. Slum house, a small group of a house, a country area larger than a hamlet. The inhabit of such as community collectively. Apartment, building containing the more than one dwelling unit, most which are a design of domestic use. Row house, one of a series of a house connected by common side walls and forming a continuous group.
Zoning. Zoning is divided in public space, semi-public space and private space. In public space, there is parking hall, sport room, yoga room and canteen. In semi-public space, there is clinic, library, crèche room and toilet. In private space, there is admin area. This is the bubble diagram. Form development. Row house. I have taken partition wall in my inspiration. In my design, I eliminate partition wall in some places and create new spaces from it. From slum house, I have taken veranda and sitting places and narrow road. Then I have placed some interactive sitting places and jogging track. In apartment, there is only one entry exit. There is no another entry exit and secondary of the apartment. So as per this conclusion, this is a disadvantages of apartment. So in my design, I design spaces as each space has two or more entry exits. This is the site plan of community center. There is two entries. One is vehicular entry and second one is pedestrian entry. The generator room is attached to the hall and the sports room. Then next we enter to the clinic, and clinic is connected to the admin area. In front of the structure there is a canteen which is accessible from all the sides. In back of the canteen there is crunch room, toilet, school unit and library. Because of the hall, library should get distracted by the noise, so I place the library here. The yoga room is placed on the first floor because all the sunlight in the morning and fresh air will come inside the room. The crèche room is near the parking area so the parents can leave their children on the entrance.
After this is the ground floor and first floor plan. Sections. There are some images.